If you are unable to open disk management in Windows 11, then please watch this video. Now, one way of opening disk management is through the run window, and I can understand that at times it doesn't even appear. So, this is the option. I mean, it shows in settings, but it is actually the disk management app. Another way is to press the Windows key and the R button to open the run window. Type the command diskmgmt.msc. In most probability it will work. If this does not work, then it means that it is an issue with some broken system files. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc space forward slash scan now and hit enter to invoke the sfc scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.